Building or engineering a staircase? Since 1976, Brassworks USA has provided custom fabrication of brass handrails, footrails, and other quality brass products to both residential and commercial clients across North America. Brassworks also specializes in chrome, nickel, and stainless steel fabrication. Regardless of whether you're a seasoned contractor or just looking to do a bit of DIY home improvement, Brassworks has everything you need for your next project, including handrails, footrails, closet and curtain rods, shelving components, custom beds, door pulls, and so much more. Brassworks provides off-the-shelf solutions as well as custom fabrication. Bending, welding, and custom CNC services are our specialty. Our extensive line of quality brass products come in a variety of finishes, including polished, satin, antique, and oil-rubbed bronze. From custom solutions and off-the-shelf fittings, the only limit is your imagination. For more information on all of our handrail, footrail, and other quality brass products, please visit us at brassrails.com or call 888-533-2961.